stuff. We do not know how that happened, and I can't even figure out how to undo it, frankly. It's like a huge knot. This is, I've had stuff like this happen before, but this is about the worst. Here, zoom in here so you can see how bizarre this is.
Here, wait, hold it still. Hold it
You
still.
come in.
Oh, I've been zooming in from afar.
That's fine. Okay, now at least I found the end, one of the openings of the duvet cover. But what the heck? Oh my God! I think. Look at this. Look at this. Holy macaroni! Jeremy, you put it in the dryer. Was it anything like this
No,
before the dryer?
I don't think so. It might have came out of the. I didn't notice, but I know that it definitely didn't go into the washing machine like this.
Well, yeah, it definitely.
But I'm not 100% certain if it went into the dryer.
Do you remember having a big? Here, look. Do you remember it having a big lump when you put it into the dryer?
Well, I always kind of just clump everything together and throw it in the dryer. But
All right, so we don't know whether our front loader did this, or the dryer did this, or some combination of the two. I am still not done undoing it. In part because I'm not exactly even sure what I'm doing. It's like a puzzle. I think we're making progress, but it's not entirely clear. Holy cow. Okay. Oh, I think we're making some progress here. And it's not dry. That's another thing. Oh my God. I'm exhausted already. Here, wait, maybe do it from the other side. Here, oh, here we go, maybe. Okay. Something. Can we solve the puzzle? I'm normally pretty good at puzzles, but this is, oh my God. All right. Oy. Ah. I think it's finally, well, now there's all the stuff that got twisted into it, the other sheet, which is soaking wet. Okay. All right, and cut. We finished.